You see, it will be 35 years. For the last 35 years, our community has always had a presidential candidate. From 1992, Jaramogi, all the way to the last election. This could be the first election where our community does not have a candidate. I'm not saying it is going to be, I'm saying it could be the first election where our community does not have a candidate. The only other time that we didn't have a candidate as a community was in the year 2002 when Raila Amolo Odinga supported Mwai Kibaki. And for those who are there, our support for Mwai Kibaki was an accident. And let me clarify why it was an accident. Raila took his party for the sake of national unity and merged with KANU. Mpaka watu wakasema, jogoo imemeza tingatinga. Raila became the Secretary General of KANU. He became the Minister of Energy. Adua Witi became the Minister for Planning. Orwa Ojode and Peter Odoyo became Assistant Ministers. Otieno Kajwang became the Secretary for Legal and Constitutional Affairs in KANU. Moi gave us a taste of government. We were hopeful that Moi was either going to hold our hand or hand over the leadership to Raila Amolo Odinga and his team. Moi took the rungu and gave it to Uhuru Kenyatta. It was at the last minute, we had all our hopes that Moi was going to support us. But he gave the rungu to somebody else. Akatuacha mataa. Ilibidi tujipange. Raila Amolo first went and talked with Nyachai, Simeon Nyachai. So they first discussed, but then he realized the ground was with the other side. So he rushed to Uhuru Park, and in the month of October 2002, he said Kibaki tosha for an election that was to be held in December of that year. When he went there, he found all the positions had already been negotiated. The vice president was already assigned to Kijana Wamalwa. Senior positions had already been given. Martha Karua, Kiraitu Murungi, all those people, they had already taken positions. We came late in October, supported Mwai Kibaki on the understanding that there was going to be created a position of prime minister. When Kibaki took over power, he was told those guys came too late. They did not help us in any way. They did not contribute to our victory. And that is why we were played.